Arise has given an opportunity, first and foremost, to connect well with the students, their talents, their interests, also their limitations.
Quest is not only focusing on students but also on the faculties. They have customized their training module based upon the requirement of our students' strength, quality of our students and the faculties.
This is a very important partnership which we feel. What it brought to us is more number of faculties are aware what is the future of learning and especially what skills the students need to get or acquire.
Normally in the classes, it is the theory taught and the students don't get the practical concept. With the help of the Arise, the way they have given the concepts, the total pedagogy of the education has been changed, which is based on the practical concept.
The students are now really in a position to understand better than what we were teaching earlier.
It was a monologue initially. Now you can see most of the teachers, they form groups, they involve students, and it is more like of experiential learning.
The number of faculty members involved in self-learning, like online learning and learning beyond their needs, requirements to deliver their daily lectures is more now.
Before the teachers never used to see that whether students understood or not about the teaching. But now they are showing interest in such a way that they are finding whether they taught properly or not.
What the Quest Alliance team has done so far has really improved the faculty's focus towards self-learning, because ultimately once they realize that self-learning is important, they can also impart it to the students.
Having some activities, role-playing, flipped classrooms, all those things attract students, and that has been found by the faculty members, and they also started practicing it in their classrooms.
Students are also very much approachable now compared to earlier. Earlier there was some fear talking to the faculties, at least few faculties are very strict. Now they came out of all those things without having any hesitation. They are coming to the classroom and visiting to their chambers, talking to the faculties.
Earlier, the department people used to sit in their own departments, there was no interaction. So after these training sessions, all the teachers, every week they all joined together. They used to discuss regarding the subjects, way of implementation of these trainings and all.
See, earlier it was just a education without any objective, without any outcomes. And now the education has become outcome based. So that is the big difference I have seen.
This Arise has created an interest in learning engineering subjects with happiness.
Unlike in the past, it's not only technical knowledge that will help the students to be prepared. Understanding the ambience, environment, and changes in environment, changes in the society, that has to be understood, and the faculty members have to be prepared to face the changes and reach the ultimate objective of providing right career to the students. So for that, these kind of programs are very much necessary, and I hope this will be fulfilling the purpose.